Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where you keep getting this little pop-up that says something like your payment method was declined, or maybe it says your payment method has failed. If it's either one of those specific options, the reason why this is happening, and this is the easiest thing to fix, is because the information that you have given here is completely incorrect, and or your connection that you're on is not right, and or a software update that you need to do. So the main reason why this is happening is because you've inputted numbers and your information here that is not accurate. So what I would recommend doing is taking the credit card that you have and verifying all of the numbers that you've inputted here, verifying every single number for your account number, and then the expiry date, you want to go ahead and make sure that is correct too. If that is not correct, that is pretty much the main problem. And once you start going through here, you'll probably see, oh, I missed a number or I didn't put a number in right. And also with your security code, you also want to go and put in that specific information correctly. And honestly, this is probably going to fix it. Now, another thing with the billing address, sometimes people mess this up. So make sure you put in your correct name and the correct billing address of that credit card. If you recently moved and your address is of an older address, you may want to go ahead and make sure you put in that address associated with that card. There can also be many times where maybe you have a credit card and it expired. If the expiry date is expired, then it's not going to work anymore either. If you got a new card, you'll have to remove this card and input that new card. So that's pretty much the main stuff that can happen. Now, let's say that doesn't happen. You may want to go ahead and make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection or data connection of some sort. So make your way over to your settings, go into your Wi-Fi connections, make sure you're connected properly. That's pretty much the other main thing you can do. Now, on top of that, what I recommend doing is updating your iPhone. So make your way down to your general settings right here. You want to go click on software update, not that. You want to click on software update, and you just want to go ahead and update your phone to the most recent version of iOS available. Again, if it's on a very outdated version of iOS, there may have been some improvements here and there. So by updating your specific version of iPhone, you are pretty much going to be good to go. So those are the main things I'd recommend doing. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.